Welcome back, friends. Now we shall see the heading budget line. As we learnt that one customer's consumption behavior, namely consumers' preference in the earlier chapters, now we understand that a higher indifference curve shows a higher level of satisfaction. So a customer when he tries to have the maximum satisfaction will try to reach the highest possible indifference curve. When he needs to get a higher satisfaction, he needs to buy more and more of the goods. For that, he has two conditions to be fulfilled. First, he has to pay the prices for the extra goods or for the goods that he wishes to buy to satisfy him. And second, he has to see that his income is limited and he has to spend a portion in which he wishes to buy the goods also. So with these constraints, with these conditions, he tries to fulfill his satisfaction. The most important condition towards this is his income. So what happens is, with the very limited income that he has, he allocates a budget to spend on the goods that he wishes to buy or that gives him the highest level of satisfaction. So we call this as the budget line. Now the budget constraint for two goods can be explained as price of X into the quantity of X, that is one type of a good, plus the price of one next commodity Y with the quantity of Y added together must be less than or equal to his budget. He cannot go beyond his budget. So the price of a product 1 with its quantity multiplied added with the price of the second quantity of the commodity multiplied together must be within the amount that he is ready to spend. It either should be equal to the amount that he is ready to spend or should be less than. That is what has been explained algebraically in page number 2.67. Now, the requirement of a consumer or a customer within his budget, allocation of the money available between two products has been explained in the table number 9. Now, in table number 9, you can see 6 preferences of a consumer. The fixed monthly income is assumed as rupees 100 as per the given example. Whereas there are two commodities that he wishes to buy with that rupee 100 which is allocated from his income towards satisfaction of consuming these two items. Now the price of ice cream is taken to be 20 and the chocolate is to be taken to be 10. And how he rationalizes this 100 rupees between these two commodities is explained in the consumption possibility table. Under case A, he is ready to forgo ice cream, but whereas he can buy 10 chocolates for 100 rupees. Under next condition B, he can either go for 1 cup of ice cream, which cost him 20 rupees. So he has to forgo 2 units of chocolate and consume 8 units of chocolate. Under C, it is 2/6. Under D, it is 3/3. Under E, it is 4. Under F, again, if he goes for 5 units of ice cream, he has to go without chocolate. So these points are being plotted in the figure 23 in page number 2.69. You have the chocolate on the y-axis and the ice cream on the x-axis, and the points are plotted towards like 10 units of chocolate to 5 units of ice cream and the budget line has been drawn to show that he can move within that combination. Now, any point above the line, say it has been marked as H over there, any point above the line H is beyond the reach of the consumer, because his budget line has been marked with between 10 units on the y-axis and 5 units on the x-axis. So any point above the line is beyond his budget. He cannot go for the units. But at the same time, K lies within the line, that is any combination which he will be ready to buy to get the utmost satisfaction. Now on the x-axis you have the M divided by the price of Y, and on the x-axis you have the money available divided by the price of ice cream, that is X, product X. So the slope of the budget line is determined by the relative price of these two goods. It is equal to the price ratio, that is price of X divided by price of Y. It measures the rate at which the buyer can trade between these two products. Either he can go for X or he can go for Y. Alternatively, he can exchange. So the budget line can be shifted under three conditions. First one is, if there is a change in the price of both the products, when his income level remaining the same and the budget allocation remaining the same, he can either move the budget line. Or in the second case, when his nominal income increases and the price of the goods remaining the same, his budget line can have a shift. Or in the third case, if there is a change both his income and in his relative prices, then there will be a shift. Otherwise, with the given income, the budget line stands to be